Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kalpana Jain. Today's video is about an interesting topic, that how can you verify whether the tax paid by you to the seller or supplier is a genuine one or a fake taxpayer, and also the GST identity number mentioned in your bill is a genuine one or fake. And did you know it requires less than 30 seconds to find out? So without further delay, let's get started and watch this video till the end. So the first things comes first, the GST identity number, which is a number which is given in for every person or every business or company registered under GST. It is a 15-digit number and is not less than that, not more than that, should be mentioned in every bill, on the top of the bill or at the bottom of the bill. So the GST identity numbers look somewhat like this. Obviously it varies for every person. So the next one is how to check whether the GST identity number is mentioned but it is genuine or fake. So you can click on this link and find out. For your convenience purpose, I'll provide this link in my description box. And also you can just go to the website, official website of GST, that is www.gst.gov.in. Now I'll show you a demo how can you do it through your mobile phone, because mobile phone is the one thing which every person carries everywhere right now. And we'll do it through the official website. So you have to just go to the official page of GST, and if you after the opening of the official page, now this is the official page of GST. Now you have to go for search taxpayer, search by GST identity number, and now you have to mention here the GST identity number which is mentioned in your bill. So every registered person has a GST identity number that you can check it right now. So after that you have to mention this characters. Obviously you know this. And then the next one is so if you can see they have said that the date of registration, it is a proprietorship, it is active. So if the status is written here, it is inactive, or then you the supplier or the seller cannot collect GST from you. And also here they have mentioned the taxpayer type is regular. Guys, you have to remember this. Only a regular taxpayer can collect GST from the customer. In India, most of them are regular taxpayer. And if it is written here, it is a composite taxpayer type is composite, it is mentioned, a composite supplier cannot collect GST from the ultimate consumer, that is the customer. And if you don't know what is a composite supplier, the meaning of this will be given in the link description box. You can check out. For all those non-commerce viewers, you can just remember that a regular taxpayer can collect GST from the customer and a composite one cannot collect from the customer. And also the name of this proprietor is mentioned, and also the address is mentioned. Now for the safety purpose, I am not displaying it, but it is displayed on the this if you click on the GST identity number. And also remember guys, if the GST identity number is fake, it will show it as a invalid one. Now the next one is you can, if there is a fake one, you can report this in the help desk number has been provided on the official page of GST GST website. And also I'll give you the website of the consumer helpline number, and also I'll provide you the Twitter handles which helps. Now for that, what you have to do is you just need one the description, the GST identity number, the name of the proprietor, and you have to present a scan copy of the bill and upload it. So your queries will be handled by the officials and you can get a proper solution from this. Hopefully this video was helpful for you, and if it did, don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you. Until then, be aware. Bye bye.